Contact over here. In my rear. They've got just about all of them on their team.
Okay, hold on. I need to fix my goggles. Fuck, I did not see you guys.
On the hill, contact. You're on my team now, bud. Stay close to him. Archmal, post up here. Post here. How far on left?
About 100 yards in. I'm actually right on my way.
Yeah. Take your shot when ready. Alright, Tyler. Stay with him. I'm going to go do a flanking maneuver up on this hill. If I'm not back in 5, it means I'm dead. Okay, another be on your side. All right.
Bang! Casey, you're with
He's
us.
already dead.
I'm already dead. Matt shot me 5 times in the arm.
He shot me in the neck. It hurt.
Sorry, gents.
Did I not hit you at all?
No. They're down on this hill.
Alright. We've been trying to keep you guys off the arm area.
No,
All right, come down on here with me.
we're holding high ground.
No, we're grouping up. Trust me. Group up. I got him, boys. All right. Still have eyes on contact? Yeah, they're on my team.
Maybe about 50 yards. Right up there.
Okay.
High ground. No, they're going.
Just trust me. We're fine.
Got him.
We've got
Go 50 yards in, moving straight up.
All right. I want 2 over here in case they try and run down.
done.
And I want 3 with me. Up we go. Get ready for flanks. Can't talk. We both got hit, Kyle. I need a tag in. Okay, I'm coming in to tag him. Tyler. Oh, shit happens. My battery's dying. Yeah. Fuck. So much for that. All right. We got 2 more to kill.